Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to assemble the SHW L-shaped desk. So I'm gonna first unbox it and then show you the instructions. So now I'm gonna open the box. And to remove the desk, you need to turn the box like this and put it up. And now you can slide it out. So this is all the hardware and all the pieces, and this is the instructions manual. So for the step one, you need to assemble the legs and the support of the desk. So now my girlfriend is gonna help me. So you see all these pieces, they are the same. So we need two for now. Okay, so you need to put this one here like that. And you see the opening here, it should be inside. And you need these two bars to hold it. So you put a bar in it like that and put the other one on the second one, and it should be pushed in. So push it gently, do not force it. And here it is. And let's put the second one. And also push it gently. If it doesn't go in, try to adjust it a little bit. And here's the first frame assembled. What is nice about the first frame is that it doesn't need any screw. So let's continue the installation of the rest of the frame. You have also like this square leg and these two bars. These two bars should go on the square leg, and then these two bars will screw on the frame that we assembled in the first step. So now that we have both frames assembled, this is the main desk and this is the L desk. So this, we need to install it here on the wall so that the main desk will be here. So to install the main desk, we need to put it like this. And see these openings here, we should put the screws in them. And then we can put the desk on top. So we need 4 screws. And notice the screws that we have small screws and we have big screws. So these here are to hold the frame, and we're gonna put it. So now we need to install the top of the desk, and this is the back of the plate. So you need to turn it because you see here the opening for the screws. This is where the screws should go. So turn it like that. And notice that we have 2 openings for the cables. And now from the bottom, we need to put the screws. And all these screws are the same. So you need to put the first screw. So it's good to put first 1 screw here. And put the second screw on the other end of the table. You have 6 screws in total to put, and use the provided Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Do not over tighten the screws. Just tighten them enough so that to hold the top of the desk. And always use protective glasses when you do this kind of work. So now this is the second part of the top of the desk. And the same, you need to put the screws also in the bottom. So you need to put 4 screws here too. So this is a screw in here. And now the final step is to install the plastic bits here. And these are where the cables of your computer or every electronic device that you're gonna put on this desk will go. So this is a desk assembled, and as you saw, it is really very easy to assemble. So first assemble the frame and then put the desk on the frame, and that's it. If you wanna check out this desk, I'm gonna leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage, but this is at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. Before ending the video, I wanna thank my girlfriend for helping me. If you like this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I wanna thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.